Martin Field rests quietly most days, but the hum of old engines and the laughter of friends always bring it to life. Pilots, restorers, and friends gathered from across the country to celebrate 100 years of de Havilland flight, a century of craftsmanship, courage, and community. Alongside the Gypsy, the field came alive with tiger moths, a chipmunk, and joined by a rare Thruxton jackaroo. Some were rebuilt from fragments, others preserved by steady hands and faithful hearts, together forming a living link between the pioneers of yesterday and the aviators of today. The Tiger and the Gypsy fly side by side, a salute to those who came before, and to all who keep them flying. Beyond the moths, others join the celebration: the rugged otter, a wacko, a Fairchild, and a handful of other elegant aircraft and home builds. Each brought its own story, its own sound, and together they filled Martin Field with life once more. A tribute to those who build, restore, and keep these wings alive. For everyone who carries the spirit of flight forward, this celebration was for you. Thank you.